I thought it might be useful this week to start with an overview of the whole dock in the winter. The eye is inevitably drawn to the work taking place in front of the new passenger terminal. It's here that much of our attention will be focused. Other work, like skilled preparation of the bollards for the south finger, continues. We'll return to the excavation work, but meanwhile, here's how things look on the passenger terminal. Work performed under the eaves of the building by a small, hard-working and talented team goes on. As the week wore on, with occasional foul weather, it was clear that much attention was focused on the excavation work. The area that will eventually become the passenger boarding bridge was also receiving attention. It seems likely that these protruding I-beams are to be capped. The return once again of a dive team on Friday certainly stimulated curiosity again. Two areas drew particular attention. Each in turn received attention from a diver, but the nature of the work remains a mystery. The presence of a wire brush and rods suggests that welding was involved. This view may give you a clearer idea of the area involved. The commitment to verification of existing structures by survey as work progresses was also clearly evident. We'll close this week's update with an implicit acknowledgement that the weather conditions cannot be ignored completely, watching snow removal from the site. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you next week.